Have a wonderful day, everyone. So this is the progress or the update of our project here on our house. Yes, the already finished putting the interlink here for our railings in here. That one there, from there going down. So this is how it looks now, but not painted yet. Right now they are working on the rendering there. So I guess I'm gonna go down. It's quite hot today. We are really waiting for the rain. Hopefully this week there will be rain here. So this is how it looks now here from outside on our railings here in front. So they do the rendering of the wall here, and it looks much better now when the concrete is being rendered, or the hollow block. So far it looks good. Now then after this they gonna work on the tiling after they do the finishing of the concrete here. Yeah, it looks nicer. They already folded the interlink here that's being cut, so it's safer to fold. And it was last Monday we went to the city and one of the big hardware there, and we buy some paint to paint the metal here for our railings and also the interlink. And then we're gonna do the red lid to protect the metal from being rust, and then paint it. Yeah. So looks better really, where when this part here is being finished already, it looks much nicer. And in here we let our worker to work on the door again. Yeah, we tried to fix it. He sand this part here already, and then we do the body pillar and sand it again before doing the painting. But at least we already bought the things that we need. But the only things what we're gonna buy more is the concrete for them to use for doing the tiling here of our columns on our house. Yeah, all around we're gonna tile the columns in there, then do the skim coat afterward. He said that there is pila na lay semento na abilin bo? Tunga. So there is half bag of concrete left, so maybe tomorrow we're gonna buy more so he can continue working on the tile. Because this one in here, this is the only part that he gonna finish. Then after that he gonna work on the column. so far it is still very hot here. And also not only that, we have almost every day hair brown out, like 3 times a day. So we are worried our appliances might get damaged because of that. Our workers are done for the day because it is 5 o'clock already, and they are done working on the railings here and also doing the rendering. So this is the progress now here in front of our house. It's looking good, by the way. So I guess that is for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe into my YouTube channel. Do like, comment, and share, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated to my newly upload videos. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.